Let us understand that each, as I have said, each and every body has got a natural frequency. So, we have got 3 empty cups. We are doing a small demonstration. We have got 3 empty cups. Let us see how they sound. Each one is sounding different. We can also hammer them in a different way. Each one of them is sounding in a different way. It means they have got different frequency. Now, let us do something. Let us put some water in one of the cups. Say I fill up about approximately 40% of the cup with water. Now, see what is the sound. The sound changes. The sound changes. Now, let us do one thing. Let us fill up all the cups. You have seen the earlier sounds. Let us fill up all the cups with water, nearly filled up. And then let us try to understand how the sound changes. So, we have filled up all the cups with water and now we try to find out the sound. So, let us hear it again. So, the frequency is changing. Earlier it was an empty cup, now it is with water. So, the frequency is changing. So, we can well understand how things change and how frequencies change with respect to these changes made in these bodies.